All right, welcome back. In the last video, we changed the water pump. In this one, we're gonna go after the thermostat, which is located right here. We'll probably take this hose off. We got another one down below. And then it looks like 3 12mm bolts and an electrical connector to get that thing out of there. And then, yeah, I got a new one over there, an OEM. So let's get into that. I need something a little longer for the bottom ones, but let's grab a hose pick of some kind. Get that to break free. Holy cow. Oh, I messed it up. There we go. We're under something now. There you go. There we go. That's free. Now let me get my catch pan back under there just in case. Sure we can see it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Maybe. Some left in there. There's like no good place for it. Let me grab like a little bungee. All right, we have an electrical connector. Let me get that disconnected, maybe. Come on, baby. Yeah, that's not one. Oh, I see. I need a little pick. It's got a switch on it, little press out tab. It looked. Oh, there it went. Just stuck. But yeah, you do have to push that. There's a little tab there. All right. Let's get 12, it looks like. Two, and I need to, almost forgot, I need that hose clamp off there. How you gonna let me do that? Release. Oh, that's. There we go. Okay. Let's get a different pack. Something. Come on. There you go. Wish I had a longer one now. That was a little... There we go. There we go. All right. There's that one. It's gonna be in the way too, regardless. There we go. Stuff it back. All right, we got one more 12 underneath. Probably gonna need a short extension. Short extension is too much. Alright, bottom bolt is out. And there's, I have a pan under there. That is an O-ring. Alright, totally different kind of gasket. So, damn it. I do believe that means it's going to be a run to the parts store because I don't have that one, I don't think. Alright, I'm kind of a goober. I ordered this, however, just going through some of my miscellaneous stuff in a cabinet, I found the stinking seal. So I'm going to put this in real quick, and then this car is going to be done. I'm going to start it up, get the coolant running through it, and this car is going to be done. So let's do that. Let me get my camera mounted up here a little different. So anyway, I'm going right down there. I don't know how well that's going to pick up. It's a bad angle anyway, but get this gasket seal. They call it a seal. Actually, they call it the gasket coolant inlet. I would call it a thermostat gasket because, well, what is it sealing? The thermostat. If I can get it to go in. There we go. And I feel like a goober because I've been waiting for this stupid thing. Had it up in my cabinet the whole time. Alright. This now goes like so. Let's get a bolt in that. Yeah, that's right. And then one more underneath. I know you're not going to be able to see this. I can't even hardly see it, so... What if? No, not that way. Maybe I should have started with this one. Let me grab a magnetic 12. That's 11. Magnetic 12 and a short extension should probably do. Be good to me. There we go. All right. I'll give you a torque spec here in just a second. I should have it right here. 18.6 to 23.5 Newton meters. 18.6 to 23.5 Newton meters. So we'll split that difference. We'll go 20. We'll do 21. There we go. So now that's all torqued. Let's get our hoses hooked back up. Get some stupid crap out of the way. Oh, I can't believe I had that here. Oh, man. Not even with the right parts either. It was with Nissan parts. And oh well. Alright, we're going to need this hose freed and put on here. Get all the way up there. There we go. Get some hose clamp pliers now. Not the best ones, I don't believe, for this job, because I just slipped off. I'm going to grab my other ones that are longer. Get it turned a little bit so it lines up in its old spot. Come on, baby. There we go. There's one. Get this bungee cord out of the way. We have an electrical connector I need to get plugged in first. Okay, click. Other hose. Boom. Two. Okay. Oops. All right, let's get our funnel up here. Dripping a little bit. goes. Had no fuel in the fuel rails from where he had the fuel rails out, replacing that sending unit. So we're gonna let this run and warm up. What you got for me, Craig? Just now?
No.
Oh.
I think it's pretty big.
Was that back here?
Yeah.
When was that?
Just now.
Oh, I just said it was just now. You said no.
Pretty much just now. Not exactly.
Within the last 30 minutes?
It's a PB crappie though. It's like this big.
Well, 9 inches or longer is a keeper.
Could have ate it.
It could have. Crappie's good eating. Well, at least you caught something. Now we're just bleeding it out. So far, no leaks. Everything's going. We put that new water pump in. It's going. We just got to bleed all the air out. And hope for no more issues. Like I said, this is the second water pump I've put on it. And yeah, with that said, I'm gonna call it here. Like I said, I'm a dummy. Had the freaking seal up there the whole time. It got mixed in with my extra Nissan stuff. Oh well, I got it back together 2 days sooner because the other seal wasn't going to be here for another 2 days. But either way, I'm going to call it here. We're going to call this a win. If anything does happen, I'll report back and give you an update. But other than that, thanks for watching. If you like it, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.